In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download view-only video files from Google Drive with audio. Before we start, keep in mind that view-only files are usually restricted for a reason. Make sure you have permission from the owner to download or use the video, especially if it's copyrighted or private content. This guide is meant to help you work more efficiently with files you're allowed to access, not to bypass anyone's rights or policies. Let's begin by opening your web browser and going to Google Drive. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, locate the view-only video you want to download. It might be in My Drive, in a shared folder, or under Shared with Me. When you find it, click once to open it in the Google Drive preview window. In the preview window, the video will start loading and you'll see the standard Google Drive player controls. At this point, you'll notice that the usual download button is either disabled or missing because the file is set to view only. That's the restriction we're going to work around, while still relying on what your browser can access when it streams the video. Let the video load and play for a few seconds. This helps ensure your browser has a stable connection to the video stream. Now, right-click anywhere inside the video area, but not on the player controls themselves, and select the option to inspect or open developer tools. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your browser, but you're looking for the tools that show you the network activity. A panel will appear, usually docked on the side or bottom of your window. Look for the Network tab and click on it. If it's already filled with a lot of entries, you can clear them using the clear icon so you only see fresh requests. With the Network tab open, reload the page or press play on the video again. You should now see multiple network requests appearing in the list. What you're looking for is a media request, typically a file type like MP4 or a stream labeled as video. You can filter by media to narrow the list. Once you identify the main video file, click on it and look for the full URL in the header section. Copy that URL. Now open a new browser tab, paste the URL into the address bar, and press enter. The video should open or start downloading directly. If it opens in the browser, you can right-click on the video and choose the option to save it. When you save the file, pick a folder you'll remember and give it a clear name. After the download finishes, play the video from your computer to confirm both the video and audio are working properly. If something seems off, repeat the process, making sure you selected the main media file in the Network tab. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a view-only Google Drive video with audio, assuming you had permission to do so.